Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Technophone Wi-Fi setting friends. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect your Wi-Fi in your Technophone. Friends, you want to connect any Wi-Fi network in Technophone. So friends, how can you connect? In this video guys I will show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi network. And first of all, open your phone setting to connect Wi-Fi. And guys, you can see guys your Wi-Fi settings and tap here. So guys, first of all guys, enable your Wi-Fi. And which Wi-Fi network guys you want to connect guys, you have any Wi-Fi network. So I will click on this Mukesh Wi-Fi guys to connect. So I will enter password here guys. So enter your Wi-Fi password. But after enter guys, first of all guys, check your password is correct or wrong. And guys, you can see connect option, and tap here to connect. Then guys, wait for 5 and 3 seconds. Then guys, you can see Wi-Fi has connected in our Technophone, and guys now you can use, and guys we can use our Wi-Fi, like guys we can operate YouTube and guys any another app. And guys you don't have guys your mobile data, so guys you can connect Wi-Fi and guys you can operate your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Wi-Fi in Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Before going guys, please go and like the video.